You have purchased additional quantity of a product you already own and require a single license key for the total quantity. Two things to keep in mind. First, generating the single license key requires the involvement of the license delivery center in your region, meaning the key will not be generated in SLD instantly. And second, the additional quantity needs to be activated on the same target as the original product. What is a target? A target is a customer-defined reference name for the real or virtual machine where the product and associated licenses will be installed. Watch the Target Concept video to learn more about targets. If you don't know the original target, go to Activations and search for the original product. The target will be displayed. Open the target to find the activation of the original product and take a note of the target name. To activate the add-on product, go to the Entitlements tab. Search for the product with the additional quantity. If you have received an electronic delivery email, please click on the link provided in the email. Select the product and hit Activate to start the activation transaction. Click on Search. Enter the target name that was specified for the original product and hit Search again. Leave a note for the License Delivery Center about your request. Select the version and enter the quantity and answer the questions displayed. The answers will be needed to create the single license key. For this product, select Add-on to existing install. Provide your current license and hit Next. Submitting the information will trigger a notification to the License Delivery Center. The License Delivery Center will generate the combined license key and upload it to SLD. You will receive a notification with the key attached. If there are any open questions, the License Delivery Center will get back to you to understand the request and provide the correct license key. If you need help using the portal, please click on Contact Us Self-Help on the homepage or on the top of every SLD page. You'll find helpful information there like FAQs, a quick start guide, links to all videos, and contact information of the License Delivery Center in your region. Click on Support Portal to search the knowledge base, subscribe for email updates about your products, open support cases, and manage your flexible credits.